Eto sure ako, if you'll ask me a restaurant in Tomas Morato na perfect for barkada na may masarap na food and drinks, confident ako i-reco sa inyo si Talabar. As in, mapa-brunch man yan, or lunch, or dinner pa yan. Pair it with your drink of choice, and of course, yung oysters nila. I've tried na ata most dishes sa menu, so alam ko na yung bet, and hindi ko masyado bet. And this time, we are back here at Talabar in Tomas Morato to try their new dishes, and exciting magkaka-brunch daw sila sa Alabang. So as a Saudi, super excited ako for that. But for now, dito muna tayo sa OG branch nila. We got this huge platter, surf and turf platter, or I guess surf and turf board. May ribs, pork, chicken wings, squid, fish and chips, at saka shrimp. My favorite here is definitely the ribs, as in they nailed the smokiness. Barbecue sauce is more on the sweeter side, but for me, there's enough savoriness and tanginess naman. And of course, fall off the bone tender. We find the fish too salty lang, but we love the tartar sauce. And every protein in this board is pretty solid na. Love their take on the beef watermelon sinigang. Familiar na kayo dito. I think theirs is more malasa and more maasim. On the sweeter side din, but I'm not really complaining. Tender yung beef, perfect sa kanin. Enjoy din ng mga kuyas ko yung sizzling bulalo. Not really the biggest fan of sizzling bulalo. Beef was tender, gravy was rich. Personally, I think I need acidity lang. Gustuhan din namin yung baked salmon na parang may hint ng mango yung mismong cheese. Nag-add siya ng vibrance sa flavor. Parang I wanted that even moist salmon, but flavor-wise, masarap siya. Masarap yung pagkakaluto sa salted egg bangus, but we wanted more salted egg flavor. Still pretty good though. And also, we love both the gambas and the laing. I really know their seafood here. That's why we also enjoyed, of course, the actual talaba. Rockefeller siya, and it comes with a Yakult shot. We went here for lunch and we really enjoyed the mocktails that we ordered. And ayan, my brothers dined here for the first time. We really enjoyed our lunch here. And as Saudis, excited kami sa Alabang branch. Enjoy!